Get ready to see St. Peter's Square in a whole new light. I'm about to reveal some fascinating secrets behind one of the world's most iconic gathering places stories you've probably never heard before. Trust me, by the end you'll never look at St. Peter's the same way again. Now, most travelers come here for that first breathtaking view, the sweeping oval embraced by grand columns, the thrill of standing right at the heart of Vatican City. But let me take you beneath the surface, because St. Peter's Square is much more than just a beautiful backdrop for your photos. Let's start with the square's incredible transformation and evolution over time. Did you know that St. Peter's Square wasn't always the vast open space it is today? Back in the 1600s, Gian Lorenzo Bernini, one of Italy's greatest architects, was tasked with creating something truly spectacular. He designed those famous colonnades to symbolize open arms, welcoming people from all over the world. So every time you walk through, you're literally being embraced by history. But this place isn't just about architecture. St. Peter's Square has long been the stage for unforgettable papal ceremonies. Imagine standing in a crowd of thousands, maybe even millions, watching history unfold as a new pope is introduced or saints are canonized right before your eyes. The energy is electric and the sense of unity is powerful. It's a place where faith and spectacle come together on a scale that's hard to find anywhere else. And here's something most visitors miss: the square's hidden role in shaping world events. During the Second Vatican Council in the 1960s, this space overflowed with anticipation and debate as church leaders gathered to reshape the future of Catholicism. It's also where, in more recent times, pilgrims from every continent have come together for unforgettable moments, like when Pope John Paul II was greeted by a sea of people waving flags and singing songs in dozens of languages. The square has witnessed peace rallies, candle-lit vigils, and even the joyous chaos of Easter Mass, with crowds spilling far beyond its borders. But St. Peter's Square isn't frozen in time. These days, it's become a living tapestry. Sure, you'll still find those massive religious gatherings, but there are also concerts, art exhibitions, and events that welcome people of every background. The square is more than a place of worship, it's a meeting point for the world, reflecting the global appeal of the Catholic Church. Walk through on any given day and you'll find street performers, families, snapping group selfies, and travelers from every corner of the globe. So, next time you visit, take a moment to look beyond the postcard views. Think about the layers of history, the celebrations, the dramas, and the everyday lives that have played out on these ancient stones. And remember, the real magic of travel isn't just about seeing famous places, it's about uncovering the stories they hold. Oh, and here's a tip from one traveler to another: don't be afraid to trust your local guides. They know the legends, the shortcuts, and the hidden corners that bring a place like St. Peter's to life. That's all for now. If you enjoyed these secrets, don't forget to subscribe for more hidden gems from around the world. Until next time, happy travels.